wow, that bass sucked it under. Alright guys, I just had one come up and kind of headbutt the frog, and then I just had this one eat it. I can't seem to get him to eat a worm, so I'm probably just going to stick with the frog today. Yeah. She's not even gonna fight, huh? She wants to jump. You're gonna jump? You gonna jump? It's not a bad fish, man. She just was not fighting. Yeah, now you want to fight. Now you want to fight. That's a pretty good one, too. Come on. Dude, that is not a bad fish. Come here, baby. Don't. Nice one, baby. They're on the big, I'm throwing a zoom 10-inch in a red shad color. I was just dragging it on bottom. It's a solid 3. Oh man, I was swimming it in, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking nice one. I was swimming the worm. I was reeling it in to throw another cast. Freaking tank. Golly, look how fat that thing is. Come here. That is crazy. I'm dragging it on bottom, then I just start reeling it quick, and she fucking ate that thing. Yeah, that is a beauty, too. That's gotta be a 4-pounder. That thing is fat as shit. Let's see how much this baby weighs. It's gotta go 4. Gotta go 4. Come on. No, not quite. It's 3.5, 3.7. Still a nice one. Oh man, I thought that was a freaking big one. Got excited. It's not a bad one though. I jacked her. I know. I know. Come on. Come here. Skinny one. Gotta be a fish right there. I knew that was gonna be one. I fucking called that shit. I called that shit. Yeah, I got your ass. I fucking called that shit. Nice, but I got a terrible hook set. Watch this. Dink! Just fell out. Skinny one, post spawn. See how much she weighs. It's not bad. Yeah, 3.9. About 6. Mm-hmm. God damn, that skip is so fucking erratic, dude. I hate that. Oh my God! Yes! Woo! That's a fucking giant, you guys. Woo! I'm lucky I didn't lose that fish. Dude, she hit it and she was running at me, baby. That's a fucking probably 7-pounder. Oh my God! Look at that. Oh, you guys, this fish is fucking huge. This is a fucking huge one. Come on, baby. Dude. She's right at 7 pounds, you guys. She's right at 7 pounds. Fuck yeah. Oh. That's the biggest ladybird fish I've caught in a long time, baby. 7-pounder. I just want to stick another fucking thing. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that one hammered it. Chatterbait bass, chatterbait bass. A little chunky guy. Right at the boat. That was sick. Dude, that thing crushed it too. I watched her fucking eat that thing. Ah, that was sick. Missed her on the frog, you guys. Followed back up with that worm. She wanted it. It's another nice one. That's another quality one right there, y'all. 3-pounder. Been a hell of a day out here. That one hit it on the paws. I wasn't expecting that. Another good one, man. Nice, baby. Nice.